This is the future of machine embroidery, where size meets versatility and speed meets precision. This is the SWD. Embroider caps and outerwear, personalized bags, accessories, and even smaller projects. All on one machine, with 15 needles and a maximum speed of 1,000 stitches per minute. This high-speed tubular embroidery machine brings designs to life in minutes. Powered by a 150-watt servo motor, the SWD is equipped to run around the clock, all while consuming the least amount of power in the industry. Meanwhile, the robust DC36V step motor moves the pantograph smoothly, minimizing vibration and guaranteeing quality and precision with every stitch. With a wide body and high clearance, the SWD supplies ample room for large and bulky items, like coats and luggage, while its slim sewing arm simplifies embroidery on smaller items like sleeves, collars, and wallets. With the largest embroidery area on any single head machine, the SWD's 32 by 20 inch sewing field sets new industry standards. Meanwhile, the optional 47 by 20 inch extended table advances your creative reach. Now you can embroider even larger, wider, and smarter. Embroidering the front and sides of caps has never been easier. With the 270-degree wide-angle cap system that rotates seamlessly from ear to ear, delivering high-quality results. All of this is possible with the new 8S panel. Longer and sleeker than ever before, the newly redesigned 8-inch interface boasts a clean, modern design that hosts all of the machine's practical functions at your fingertips. Now you can select a design, program a color sequence, and choose a hoop directly on the main screen before running a job. Store up to 20 million stitches on the panel's large internal memory, and stay organized with the file management interface, which grants quick and easy access to all of your files. Choose from an extensive color palette to set a corresponding thread color for each needle, for quick color selection directly on your panel. Control the placement of your designs with the new built-in camera function, preset hoops, and one-step tracing. Center your design right the first time with the built-in camera. Align your design to the center point marked on your fabric, ensuring consistent placement regardless of hooping inconsistencies. When you're ready to start, outline your design with the one-step tracing feature, confirming exactly where your needle will stitch. With the touch of a button, create stunning applique embroidery using the machine's frame offset function. Generate personalized lettering on demand with the onboard lettering function. Simply enter a name or phrase, and the machine will automatically create a digitized file that you can instantly stitch. Start and stop large embroidery jobs at your convenience with automatic memory retention, which retains your design's positioning on screen after the machine is shut down. And when your project is complete, analyze important statistics with the report function display so you can set standards and goals for your future projects. This is the future of machine embroidery, the industry's leading features all on one machine. This is the SWD. Call or visit our website to learn more.